Do you ever wish you could enjoy fresh air in the car, even during bad weather? There's a simple solution many drivers don't know about: WeatherTech Side Window Deflectors. Let's take a closer look. Our side window deflectors redirect rain, snow, road salt, and more away from your vented windows while driving, so you can enjoy the breeze without the mess, rain or shine, hot or cold. These rain guards also help defog your windows in humid weather without overtaxing your AC. They even hide cracked windows while you're parked so no one can see they're open. Unlike one-size-fits-all options, WeatherTech's custom-fit in-channel design installs easily and actually stays on. They install without the use of unsightly exterior tape, so there's no concern about paint damage. You just get to enjoy sleek, low-profile deflectors that look factory-installed. WeatherTech's side window deflectors are made from aerospace-grade polycarbonate that is shatter-resistant, UV-protected, and built to last in extreme weather. You have your choice of two styles, matte black and dark tint. Get fresh air, fog protection, security, and style all in one easy upgrade. Side window deflectors are 100% designed, engineered, and manufactured in America by WeatherTech.